Thank you, Torben. And I would like to thank everyone who has attended today, both in person and virtually. I would have loved to be there with you all in person, but I'm currently and hopefully being shipped as a present by Santa Claus to some of our clients in Asia to get ready for the launch of an exciting and one of the largest research population genomics programs and platforms. Now, let me introduce you today to the new Lifebit platform. Today, we are generating a tremendous amount of data, from imaging to clinical and genomics, which is crucial for drug discovery and patient stratification, among others. Data saves lives. And because of this data, first, 5x more rare diseases patients are now able to finally get accurate diagnosis. Second, genomic-backed drugs are twice more likely to gain approval, with 2/3 of FDA-approved drugs now supported by genetic evidence. And third, genomic data is actually reshaping and helping us to really understand diseases, like the identification, for example, of 5 key biomarkers for COVID-19 severity from Genomics England data. But data scarcity is actually a huge and major problem, is a challenge, and connecting and linking and being able to utilize any data available is really crucial. Scaling datasets, for example, from 3,000 to 30,000 patients, it's been shown to actually lead to 100x more genomics associations and the insights attached to them. Now, to really make this data usable, and in order to save lives, there are 3 key elements that are needed. First is the ability to find the right data, and for that, federation is key. Second is the ability to have standardized data, and for that, common data models like OMOP are key. And third, the ability to perform the right analytics and to have a suite of analytical tools, all of them that are actually needed, this is key. And the Lifebit platform provides a combination of these 3 factors to allow data to be used to save lives. And today we're especially going to be focusing on the analytics modules. The rest I'm sure is going to be covered in subsequent presentations and also demonstrations throughout the event. The bigger differentiator compared to any other platform in the industry is that it introduces functionality modules that corresponds to different user personas and that have a particular primary use case. Whether you're an academic researcher, a bioinformatician, a pharmaceutical researcher, drug discovery researcher, a clinician, or a data scientist, our platform have you covered and is tailored to meet each persona unique needs. Now we are going to be exploring all these user personas that the platform caters. First persona is an academic researcher who is a low-code or a no-code user. And what they are looking is to first, in a couple of clicks, be able to build cohorts for research from scratch. Second, in a simple click, to then be able to perform interactive analysis, for example, like Jupyter's, Spark notebooks, or even RStudio. And third, in a simple click, to be able to perform the most standard and out-of-the-box analysis in a very simple way and manner, like genomic-wide association study analysis. And the data science module will allow them to achieve that in that fashion. Now, the second persona is a bioinformatician, and what they are looking is to, first, effortless, being able to run Nextflow pipelines and Dockerized tools. Second, in a simple click, to be able to bring any tool into the platform. And third, also in a simple click, to be able to perform standard, any out-of-the-box type of analysis that the system provides. And the advanced analytics module will be able to cover all these needs. Now, the third persona is a pharmaceutical researcher. And what you're looking is to, first of all, browse external data catalog, search using biomedical tags, and to be able to have access to a data preview of what data is available across the globe. Second, to be able to collaborate across distributed biobanks data and be able to identify diverse cohorts that are going to be able to support and advance in key therapeutic areas of their interest. And third, to have secure access to a vast and federated network of the biomedical data via Lifebit certified and security by design platform. And for that, Connect module will be able to cover all those needs. The fourth persona is a drug discovery researcher, and what they are looking to is to first have access to an end-to-end solution from cohort definition to insights and results in just a simple click. Also, to have access to simplified reports that will summarize target identification for downstream validation and analysis. The fifth persona is a clinical scientist, and what they are looking to is to, first of all, be able to run pipelines and to conduct variant analysis on groups of participants, for example, a trial family-based analysis. Second, to be able to visualize also variants for any patient and be able to view associated diseases information and compare patients in a given cohort. And third and last, to be able to produce individual participant pharmacogenomic reports to guide treatment strategy. And for that, the clinical model is going to be able to cover all such needs. And we also have the last persona, which is a data scientist. And what they are looking is to first be able to create their own OMOP maps to standardize the data and ingest the data easily into the Lifebit platform to be able to use it. Second, to be able to streamline the standardization of raw genomics data for analysis after ingestion. And third, to be able to track the progress and success of the harmonization process through rich metadata and simplified and automated reports. And for that, the data factory model is going to be able to cover all such needs. Now again, I would like to thank everyone attending, both physically in the event as well as remotely, and want to wish you happy holidays and a happy new year. It's a pity I couldn't join you today, but I'm sure you will enjoy the event and have a great time getting to know more about Lifebit exciting plans for the upcoming year, and have also great time networking with amazing people. We will open up now the floor to any questions. I have the pleasure to introduce you to the fantastic, the amazing, and the best, our product directors, Christina and Filippo, which will be able to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.